Elevate your vehicle's appearance with Tint Guy LLC, Murfreesboro's leading provider of expert vehicle wrap services. Our skilled team transforms ordinary cars into head-turning masterpieces that reflect your unique style or brand identity. Using cutting-edge technology and premium vinyl materials, we create durable, high-impact wraps that last for years. From sleek color changes to intricate custom designs, our wraps cater to both personal and commercial needs. Our state-of-the-art facility is equipped with the latest tools to ensure precise installation and flawless results. We offer a diverse range of finishes, including matte, gloss, satin, and other options to suit your preferences. Our expert installers meticulously apply each wrap, ensuring every curve and contour of your vehicle is perfectly covered. Not just for aesthetics, our wraps also protect your vehicle's original paint from scratches and environmental damage. We specialize in full vehicle wraps, partial wraps, and fleet branding solutions for businesses of all sizes. Our design team works closely with you to bring your vision to life, creating eye-catching graphics that demand attention. Experience our commitment to excellence with our efficient turnaround times and exceptional customer service. We stand behind our work with a satisfaction guarantee, ensuring you'll love your newly wrapped vehicle. Ready to make a statement on the streets of Murfreesboro? Contact Tint Guy LLC today. Call us at 615-410-3805 to schedule your consultation and discover the transformative power of expert vehicle wraps.